Grain and livestock markets closed mixed Wednesday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn with this closing market wrap-up. Grain and oilseed futures closed mixed with soybeans firming while corn and wheat remained under pressure from lower crude oil prices and generally favorable Midwest weather forecasts. Weather remains the dominant feature in the grain trade. Forecasts continue to point toward good near-term growing conditions across much of the Corn Belt, although traders are beginning to monitor for potential dryness to develop deeper into June. According to World Weather Incorporated, the Midwest outlook remains mostly dry over the next 2 weeks outside of scattered rainfall expected Wednesday in portions of the Midwest. Wheat futures continued to struggle under technically driven selling and long liquidation pressures as traders increasingly focus on the approaching winter wheat harvest and expectations that tensions involving Iran could ease. Additional pressure came from larger projections for Russia's 2026 wheat crop. Chicago soft red winter wheat futures led the decline, while Kansas City hard red winter wheat futures found some support from ongoing poor crop conditions across portions of the southern and central plains. Now, livestock futures closed higher Wednesday, supported by strength in cash fundamentals and renewed speculative buying interest. Lean hog futures gained on rising wholesale pork values and tightening slaughter numbers, while live cattle futures advanced on support from their discounts to the cash market and technically driven buying. Feeder cattle futures also moved higher, helped by strength in the live cattle market and Tuesday's $3.29 jump in the CME cash feeder cattle index. Front-end lean hog contracts showed renewed momentum as traders pointed to strong Memorial Day pork demand and declining slaughter rates as signs of improving seasonal cash hog market strength. Cash cattle trade across the plains remained quiet Wednesday, with neither packer bids nor feedlot asking prices established by the close. Now, taking a look at closing numbers, we've got July corn down 5 at $4.52.5. July soybeans down 3/4 cents at $11.85 1/4. July wheat down 13 at $6.22.5. July Kansas City wheat down 6.5 at $6.69 3/4. July Minneapolis wheat down 11 at $6.80. Moving over to the livestock complex, we've got June live cattle up $3.20 at $251.42. August feeder cattle up $5.17 at $354.62. And June hogs up $147 at $97.60. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn with the American Ag Network.